Welcome back to the channel in the garage, but instead of working on the Shelby, we're going to be working on the 3.5 liter Ecoboost, the F150. So what we're going to do today, we're going to install a JLT Performance Oil Catch Can. So that's what we're going to do today. JLT, got the oil catch can. I got it from CJ Pony Parts, which provides parts for the F150 also. So get everything in one spot. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing installed. Got the bracket, got the hoses, got the instructions. Got a sticker. We're gonna get this thing, it shouldn't take long. Just unclip and clip in, and that thing should be done. So we're gonna go ahead and bypass the Shelby and get into the Ecoboost, the lead foot boost to match the lead foot Voodoo. So yeah, that's what we have here. So should be a pretty straightforward install. We'll get that cover off, we'll get set up and get this thing done. I think I got everything I'm gonna need to get this thing installed. So let's start off by getting this cover off. 10mm socket. A little different working with this thing. I gotta stand on a stool to work on this. A little different than a Shelby. We'll get this cover off. This thing should lift right up. Gotta take the oil fill cap off. Thing's tiny. Look how little that thing is. It's crazy. This thing should just lift right off and out. Alright, so what we'll work on first is getting this bracket installed and mounted. Pull this clip out, the battery box, throw this J clip in that, where that hole is. Just like so. Loosely mount the bracket. And then mark a spot for the other hole, drill another hole. And go ahead and drill it out. That's what will fit down in there, then you can go ahead and put the other J-clip on in that spot. This thing tight now. Alright, that's nice and tight. Just tuck that in there. We will pull these two plugs, and it's just a little tab that you push and pull that fitting off. Same thing on this side, little tab. You lift that tab and that thing just slides right off like so. Get this can lined up in the bracket. 2 screws. Small. Just use a Phillips head. Screw that down. Tighten it up. That. It's a 90-degree one. We'll just put it down like this. Push it in, let it click. I spun this one around here to where it sits down a little bit further, and they come in together underneath the cover. And then to check it, all you do is unscrew it here. And then you can check, empty it, and screw it back on. It's easier than the Ford Performance one for the Shelby. But I went with the Ford Performance on that one for the look. Kind of looks factory. So, but this is nice. All right, that's a nice clean install. Everything's buttoned up tight. Go ahead and get this engine cover back on and start her up. Go ahead and get this cover back in here. See how everything fits. Cover back on. Yeah, everything clears nice. And, put the nuts back on here. And put the little baby oil filler cap back on. It's crazy how small that thing is. Okay, nice clean look. Bolts up there to the battery box. Everything slides right underneath the cover there. Clips in, good look. Happy with it. So I'm gonna wrap it up. And I wanna thank everyone for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Until next time, take care.